Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an eBay order, a Joggles order, and a Dollar Tree haul. So we're going to start with my eBay. So y'all know I love the Delusion stamps if you follow me, and I'm always finding a good deal. I'll try to find a good deal. And the other night, I was eBay shopping, and I just decided to put Delusion stamps in. Came across these two, and I got both for $20. And yeah, they're used, but they're in good shape. Doesn't look like they've never been used. So, got them. Can't wait, I already stamped them out. Started doing my little doodling, but I had to leave. So, got them. Now, Joggles, this is one of two orders, and I did it at the same day, and I only got one today. Ain't that weird? And I looked. The other one's still in process of being here. Ain't that weird? Both shipped on the same day. So, I don't even know which one it is. I didn't pay any attention. So, I don't know which in this Joggles order. I have two coming in. I had two orders. The reason I did two orders is because... Oh, this is the big one. Okay. I always save this paper. Oh, good job. And I always save their tissue paper because I think it's so pretty. So, this is what I bought with my sale. I always, when I make money from my sale, I buy myself stuff. Okay. Alright. So, that aside, I'll bring that in a second. Woohoo! This is... I wanted a new journal. So I got me a new creative journal by Delusion. Okay. And then, Teresa's been telling me I should check out Art by Marlene. So I grabbed this little, it's called the Handy Size Journal. So let's check it. Oh gosh, shall we? Okay. And, oh, I like the cover. Oh, I like the inside. So you get this little pouch. Oh, I like the paper. She said I'd like the paper. I like that I can clip it in and out. So I bought an extra pack of the paper. I like that I can add that in there. So I got that. That's cool. And then, this is what I'm excited about. I'm excited about everything. I got these, and they're the Delusion die cuts. And you can color them. And it's the trees. You know what? I should have looked closer on this because, oh no, I don't have that. Let me see this. They were on. It wasn't that expensive. Because, get one. See, I have this in a stamp, but it's smaller. I have this in a stamp, and I believe it's smaller. I got this in a stamp. I have this in a stamp, but smaller. This I don't, similar in a stamp. Got this in a stamp, but it's smaller. So yeah, it's alright. So then remember what you get in that pack. So you get 3 of each. Ooh, I'm going to be doing some coloring. Anyways, them are cool. So you got that. These are the trees. So it's 24 pieces. I think I paid like $4 or something for them. I'm going to put them right in my box over here. I got a box going on, see? Yeah, my desk is full of stuff, guys. I keep that because I cut that all out. Let's see this one. Excuse me. And I save this plastic packaging, and I recycle and reuse it. So, we get the little elves. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see. I have this in a stamp. Let's see. I already have them colored. Where are these? Right here. Well, it's the same size. This is the stamp. Oh well. So, got 3 of them. Then I got the little feet. And I got her. And then I got him. See, I wouldn't buy these again, because I got him in a stamp as well. So that's full. But I don't have this one in a stamp, or this one in a stamp, or this one in a stamp. So that worked out. Or no, I think I have that one. But I know I don't have this. No, I have this one in a stamp. But that's alright. It's all in fun anyway. So, got that. Them in there. Then, with having a $40 or more order, you got a free little journal. So you got the little clips to hold the journal, and got 3 of each of the papers like this, 3 of the circles, and then black one, some black like that. Ah, that's a cool little book. I'm going to definitely be making something with that. And the reason that's why I had 2 orders is because I had a $100 order, okay? I split it so I could get 2 free journals. Shipping would have been the same regardless, because I decided I did work the numbers, and basically shipping got cut in half for the doing a journal. Anyways, that's not a new stamp I had. That's just in here on my way. So, that is Joggles. Plus, I have Joggles and a Ranger coming in on Monday. And I'll do that video later on Monday. So, I haven't been to the Dollar Tree, I would say 2 months. I don't go to it. I only go to it when I need it. But me and Diamond went to the Dollar Tree this week, because Diamond has a project she wants me to do. And it entails 4 frames. So she picked them up. And I wanted some stuff myself. Got me a couple Christmas trees to decorate craft-wise. And aren't them cute, the little on the bottom? I got 2 sets of them. And Donna bought me a truck not realizing I had this, but that's alright. And then she got me this truck that's different. Wow. I hope that don't break. And then I got some brushes and spatulas for my husband. He asked me for a set of those. He already took his. I bought him 2 and he only grabbed 1. Got me some brushes like this, like that, and that. So that's over there. And I got a couple sleighs. Well, I got more than a couple, but they're in other bags. Let's see right here. I couldn't find it. Oh, and then we bought that for the project. She has. So I got this sleigh, like that, and then I got another one like that, and another one like that, which I'm going to decorate for a Christmas present. Then, alright, let me clear some of this off. Let me clear some of this off the bag. I was going to say, this Dollar Tree's a big, kind of semi-big one for me. This time around. But some of this Diamond bought too, so I'm not going to tell you which is which, but so some of this is stuff Diamond picked up for me to make her things she wants me to make, like the frames. Okay. Oh, down behind us. Right behind me. There we go. Alright. Big 3. Alright. Okay. I came across these. They're little gnomes. I thought they were so cute. got the little gnomes. And Diamond needs these for the project. She only needed snowflakes, so I told her just to buy a couple. I said, because I know I have some of the snowflakes, but I didn't know how many, so she just picked up 2 packs. And then I picked up these little trees. There's 6 in here. They're little silver. Aren't they cute? And then they also had gold. So I grabbed the gold. And then I came across the little gnomes like that. Oops, like that, sorry. And then the little car. And this little gnome. And got 2 packs of them. And then I got this. That's it, and that's it, and that's it. Those. And some of this is diamonds. And that, and that. And then I got these little trucks, which are cute. Happy holidays. And then I got 2 canvases I needed for a project. Then they had the little chocolate spoons. And candy canes. And that's my Dollar Tree haul. I haven't had a Dollar Tree haul this big in a long time. But yeah, I got these little spoons. And we're going to be a future project I'm going to share. And these too. Got them. And I thought them were so cute. I grabbed the last 2 they had. I love my truck, so. But other than that is all. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.